Good afternoon, 8th grade. Welcome to office hours for 4/22/20. Hey, what's up, Astrid? Thank you. I appreciate it. So I guess as long as you stay here, I'm doing this until 3:15. You got, hey, Friggy, welcome back. You guys could tell me if you experience a better connection or not. So just pay attention for the next like 30 minutes or so. That would be great. I'd really appreciate it. It'll be important data for me while I'm. Oh, you're saying that this is much better? Wow, you see a difference already? I have to laugh because my son was telling me what the problem was. So he was right, apparently, if you see a big difference already.
It's almost as if I know what I'm talking about.
Don't listen to him. Hey, Jacqueline, how are you, dear? Thank you for joining. It's more clear to see. Okay. Thank you so much, Astrid. I really appreciate that. And I'm just going to keep it this way because I really don't want you guys frustrated at all while you're trying to learn. So if this is better, I'll definitely keep it like this. And then if we run into any more issues, just let me know. Okay, so Jacqueline, you're my 8th grader here. So please graph y equals 2x minus 1. Let me see if I could give Astrid a dab for helping me out. I think I could pop that chat out and then click on this little face over here. Poor Jacqueline, probably, can you still see there's my little dab guy. All right. And then I think there it is. Astrid gets a dab guy. All right, so y equals 2x minus 1. Jacqueline, I need you to graph that. I was able to find a magnetic grid. I don't know how long it's going to take to get here, maybe like a week or two. But I'm kind of excited about that because then we could graph on an actual grid and I'll be accurate. So please graph y equals 2x minus 1. Tell me anything you remember from what you're looking at, any kind of fact at all, almost like a notice and wonder kind of thing. Astrid, I could keep the trapezoid up there for a little bit longer, but once the students start answering my question, I have to put the graph up. Thank you. It's find. What do you mean, Astrid? Oh, it's fine if I have to erase this. That's what you're telling me? Jacqueline. Hey, Dagny. Let me put up the graph for you. I need you to graph y equals 2x minus 1. Graph. And I'd like you to tell me anything that you remember about it. Tell me everything that you know about this, no matter how small you think it might be of a fact. Okay, let's take 8th grade attendance. I saw Jacqueline and Dagny. Do I have any other 8th grade that popped in so far that I didn't count? Jacqueline and Dagny? What was the question? I would like you to graph y equals 2x minus 1 and tell me every little bit of knowledge that you have about this right here. Nothing is too small, nothing irrelevant. If it has to do with graphing and y equals 2x minus 1, I'm going to make a note of it. And I invited my 6th graders because I need them to finish up some of their work. Oh, I don't see Alana yet. Alana, are you here yet? So we have, it is in the form y equals mx plus b. Okay, perfect. One fact, I'm going to put them right here. One fact is, this is in the form y equals mx plus b. Beautiful. Let's see another one. Jacqueline says, we solve the equation for x. Ooh. Ooh. Hey, Kevin, how are you? I'm kind of glad that you said that, because I think that this has only come up one time, at most twice in our classes. If you have two variables, we are not going to be able to solve x unless we know what y is. So you could solve it for x under certain circumstances. We can solve for x if we know y. Find the x-intercept. We could find the x-intercept, absolutely. Do you want that as a new one, or you're explaining this one better? I can find what x is if I plug in 0 for y. Find the x-intercept. So I could put here, for example, what's that? i.e., for example, y equals 0, I could find my x. Now, if y is 0, an x-intercept is where it hits the x-axis. Oh. Huh. You go, girl. Okay, Kevin. Give me any facts you know about graphing and y equals 2x minus 1. Dabney told us that it's in the form y equals mx plus b, and Jacqueline said that we could find the x-intercept by plugging in 0 for y. What else could we do? Oh, my hair was blocking it. That's crazy. Okay. What else? I need a little bit more fact, and we need to graph it. And we could do it. We could actually demonstrate this. BTS. BTS. Isn't that a group? Isn't that group? That's a typo. Okay. We can solve for x if we know. Okay, what if we did that? What if we said that 0 equals 2x minus 1? So when y is 0, what's x? Did you get a half? Is it 1 or negative 1? That's a negative 1. Sorry if I'll rewrite it. I probably, y equals 2x minus 1. Jacqueline, did you get a half? Half comma 0? So if this is 1 and x is a half, it would be right there. Anything else, guys? How many points do we need? No, don't get quiet on me. How many points do you need to make a line? That's something that we could put up here because that's part of graphing. What kind of graph is this? You could put that up here too. Come on, guys. There's so much you could say. Oh, you got 2 instead of a half? Did I do something wrong? Add 1 to both sides. 2x equals 1. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. That's a half. I'm glad that you're making me check my work, but this time, fortunately, your teacher did not make a mistake. No, 2 points. Ah, I totally misunderstood you. Yes, 2 points to make a line. Two points needed for a line, which I just told you basically what kind of graph this is going to be. What kind of graph is it? We're looking at the graph of a because we haven't actually looked at different graphs in this 8th grade. But when you get to algebra, you're going to be looking at all types of graphs. So this particular one is a graph of a what? Blank, blank. This is the graph of what? What's it going to look like? A slope. It'll have a slope, but what would it look like?
-1. Oh, you're trying to calculate the slope? The slope is right here. You could tell me that because it's in the form of y equals mx plus b, that the slope is 2. I'm looking for, like, what is this graph going to look like once I connect my 2 points? It would have 2 points, which would be 0, this one, 0.5, 0, and the other one would be 0, -1. Oh, okay. Okay. So, okay. You guys jumped to getting the y-intercept then? Check you guys out. Okay. All right. So that means y equals 2 times 0 minus 1. Absolutely. Wow, I'm really proud of you guys. Nice job. So you said 0, -1. You guys rock right now. That's awesome. 0, -1. I have my 2 points. Wow. You guys deserve a dab. Not me doing it, just in the chat. Because if I do it, I'll probably mess it up. Let's put my little dab guy in there. What else is over here? Is that like, I think that's washing hands. I thought it might have been applause. I would have applauded. But nope. Oops. That's a oops. What is this? Okay. Excellent job, 8th grade. So now we get to do what we're supposed to be doing. Any kind of makeup work or questions on the assignment that you have that's due Friday? Kevin's got video games on his mind? That's not fair. How do you have that icon? I was looking for more icons and I couldn't find them. I was so limited. Oh, wait, here's more. Oh. I still don't see a thumbs up, though. Wait. There it is. Wait, nope. I still don't see a thumbs up. Wait. Oh, there's like a whoop whoop, a fist, pound it. I think this is clapping. Whatever. What are we working on, guys? Do you have any questions for me? The boxes? What's that? Kevin, are you being inappropriate? Thank you. Let's see. Let's take a look at on course. So Jacqueline, I think you were actually working on spiral review number 2. And I think Dagny, you were working on Moby. Kevin, did you finish systems? I didn't see anything from you that says you finished it. And how are my 6th graders doing? Do my 6th graders have any questions? Right. That's right. You're being watched. Tell them. Tell them, Astrid. Jacqueline, let me get Kevin in here. And I think that's it, right? Kevin, get some math done, please. As a matter of fact, Kevin, if you feel like third marking period is done, then you should move on to the spiral review that Jacqueline and Thais had been working on, because those were two assignments that were due last week. But I actually, Kevin, would really like you to pull up your third marking period grade as high as it could go, given, you know, like some past marking period things. And this is a great opportunity for you to do that. So I would really like to see you do the systems on Moby so that I could raise that test grade. That will help a lot. Yeah, I think if you do that, then you can finally say, okay, third marking period is good. And you also need to post something on the Pi stream. In our classroom, you have to give me a fact about Pi that has not been posted already. Let's see what we got here. He said, okay. Dagny wants to know what she's working on. How am I doing so far? Jacqueline, give me a minute. It's a good grade, Kevin, but when you consider, you got to consider, like, at the end of the school year, the final grade for the whole course from September to June takes into account first marking period, second marking period, third marking period, fourth marking period. So if you didn't do good first and second marking periods, then you really need something very high third and fourth. And even though a C- is acceptable, it's not a high grade. So if you have an opportunity to make it higher, and all I'm telling you to do is your Moby systems to bring it up, that's pretty cool. It might, I don't know how many points it's going to make it, but if you had a B, that would definitely be better. In the spiral review, I am stuck on number 3, part 2. So Fergie, I need you to tell me whose mixture is stronger, Noah's or Andre's, and why. Let's check Jacqueline's Edulastic. Dagny, I thought you were on a Moby assignment. Did you finish it? Jacqueline, spiral review number 2. Number 2. Jacqueline, you are doing like half and half. I need you, Jacqueline, to look at number, Jacqueline, look at number 1, look at numbers 4 and 5, 8 and 9, and the last one. Those are incorrect, they're red. I do have a partial for you. Partial on 7. 7 is partial. Sorry about that, guys. They're doing stuff outside. What does it mean by stronger? Something tastes stronger. If weaker makes more sense to you, you can use a description of weaker. But if something tastes stronger than something else, I want you to think about I want you to think about like Kool-Aid, and depending on how much powder and water you put in, you could have a very strong flavor or a very weak flavor. So you know when something is watered down. Another good example is when you are out to eat. Sometimes the soda machines they have to change their syrup packages, so you get a drink that tastes like seltzer water instead of the flavored soda it's supposed to be. Hey Alana, welcome back. So does that help, Fergie, to help you describe why someone's is weaker or stronger? You have to look at the ratio of the powder to the water. Whose is going to have the stronger flavor or weaker flavor, whichever one makes more sense to you. Okay, Dagny, just let me know if you have any questions. Anybody else that I might have missed? Miss, the stream is pausing for me. Really? That's not good. Is anybody else having that problem? Okay, cool. You found the thumbs up? Now I need to find it. Yeah, same. Really? It's pausing for you too? I wonder. All right, give me a minute. Let me see. Pausing? I have no idea why. Let me know if it stops completely or gets lagging. I'm not sure what's going on. What day did you do lesson of the per thingy? The unit rate one. We went over this. Crud. You need me to find that for you, Alana? It's okay for me. Okay, cool. That's good information. Okay. So let's see if I could find. Oh, strange. So maybe day 9. Maybe is it page 85? Let's see if it's this one. Lesson 15. Lesson 15, number 3. Let's see if it's that one. Okay, Alana, it should be day 9 if I'm looking at the right problem. So hold on a second. But part 1, not part 2. Let's look. 15. I need to go to the practice problems and see if number 3 is the one. No, that's that rainy day problem. So which one is the one with the different unit rates? Maybe 65? Oh, it's this one. 11. Yeah, try the day 9 video. Try the day 9 video, lesson 11 practice problem number 6. Lesson 11 problem number 6. It was a practice problem, and try day 9. Day 9, part 1. Day 9, part 1. It's not going to say part 1. It's just going to say day 9. As long as it's not day 9, part 2, then you should be in the right one. And you're looking for, when I have on the board, it says lesson 11, practice problem number 6. That should be the problem that you're looking for, okay? Alana? Anybody else? Taylor, why is there 6th grade on here? Because I opened it up for students who are trying to finish up work. Do you have anything that you would like to finish up or ask Ms. Leggett questions on? They're technically my office hours, so I opened it up because I have a couple people that are working on tests. Nope, just wanted to see what you guys were doing. I have like a couple people finishing up tests. I have a few people finishing up some 3rd marking period work, and then I have another one working on her 4th marking period work. So, you know, it's a pretty nice blend of things going on. Hey, Taylor, before you dip out, though, you know how sometimes the screen would be slow, laggy, or messed up? How is it right now? How is it now? Is this a good connection? Okay, cool. Thank you. So we'll keep it like this, hopefully. Jacqueline, Danny, Kevin. All right, Taylor popped in to say hi. Okay, I think I got everybody here. Kevin is here. Okay, all right, peace out, Taylor. Take it easy. It looks like we lost some people too. Miss, what am I doing? I thought you knew. I asked you if you were working on Moby and you said yeah. What? Oh, dag me. All right, let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh, excuse me. Nope, wrong one. Yep, that one. No, what? Why would I? Really? Okay, let's take a look at Miss Dagny. Because you were asking me questions about a Moby assignment. Maybe I'm wrong. Unit 7 test review. That I made the same mistake that I did last time. Edulastic Unit 7 test review, dear. You were redoing that one so that you could bring up that grade. Does that ring a bell? Oh, you did finish it? So you finished it again? I hope you didn't submit it because you know to get the best grade, I have to look at that stuff. Okay, this is not the one I want to be looking at. I want to be looking at... I'm so confused. Was it the scientific 415 scientific notation? Dagny got 100. Is that the one that I was looking at? Oh man. Let me, it says Unit 7 test review. Classwork. Due date. Oh, that's the one that was online. So then which one is the one that you did? No, scientific notation, I gave you, the 100 is right here. Grade updated. Yep. So I guess that means, okay. So then that means, Dagny, what about the test review on Google Classroom? Did you like take a picture of any of your notes of the work that you did or the work in the book? Or did you do that on Google Classroom and then submit those documents? Because that's the last thing that you've got to do for third marking period if you still want to bring the grade up. If you're happy with it, then you can move into fourth marking period, which is the spiral review number 1 and 2. Sorry about that I was so late in telling you that. Yeah, Miss Leggett had a brain fart, sorry. Fergie and Alana, how you doing with the test? I'm almost done. Okay, good. I'm gonna hang tight. Students are not required to stay past 3:15 because that's the end of your school day. But if you're almost finished, I can hang around here until you're done. That way you don't have to pause it and I could update your grade right away. Okay? So for anyone who needs to stay, you're welcome to stay. And then for anyone who is pretty much finished for today, I'm not gonna require you to stay at all. It's just like a check-in anyway, if you guys have questions about your work. Dagny, if you have any other questions about that assignment or the spiral review, just email me. And then tomorrow I see 8th grade at 2:15. Bye, Kevin. Bye, Dagny. Thank you guys for joining. Hey, awesome. Let me look at it before you submit it. Click on a different problem for me. Different from whatever it is that you're working on. That way it updates for me. We're on this one, I believe. Let's scroll down. Here it is. Okay, let's take a look. I already told you that the first one looked good. So let's see what you did for Andre. Nice job, kiddo. That's cool. Very cool. And now let's see. They compare and taste. Nice job, Fergie. You can submit that. And then that means that the next time you can join a makeup session, not Monday or Thursday. Monday, Thursday is class. I have to introduce new tasks. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, you can make up that third part of the test, okay? Does that make sense to you? Okay, so I'm thinking, Alana, where are you at right now, dear? Did you find the problem that you needed to watch? Okay, bye. Have a good day. Thank you, Fergie. Excellent job. Keep up the good work, kiddo. Okay, so that means, do I have Jacqueline and Alana here? Are those my two? And let's see. No problem, Alana. I wanted to know if you needed the test open or you're going to watch the video and I could pause it. Because technically the stream is done. School day is done. Oh, Astrid is here. Astrid, how you doing? Do you have any last minute questions or can I stop? I will see the video first. Okay, perfect. Then I'll pause it back up. And then tomorrow is class, so you can't do the test tomorrow, but you could do it Friday. Okay, is that a plan? And then Astrid, if you need more help, I could help you Friday because tomorrow is class. You can close the test. Okay. All right. Bye, ladies. Thank you very much for your participation. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I shall see you tomorrow for class. Okay, great. Thank you, guys.